Hi, I'm Danielle Bonney, and today we're going to be doing hot tool work with a Marcel curling iron. A Marcel curling iron is great because it's going to give a really shiny, polished, long-lasting curl. The big difference between a clamp iron and a Marcel curling iron is going to be that instead of it being spring-loaded, you're going to be manipulating the different movements with your hand. So you want to think about a box and taking first, you're going to go up and down, floor to ceiling, and then you're gonna roll, front to back, roll, up and down, roll to the side, forward, backwards, up and down, until you get comfortable making a full rotation in those quarter turns. So the Marcel curling iron has the tong that manipulates the shield. This turns as well as your handle here. And you want to make sure that it's unlocked so that it can spin freely. So we're going to start in with a vertical curl. So you'll be holding the curling iron vertical all the way through. You'll want to decide if you want to do everything rolling together or rolling against. So if you want to roll together, you will do everything away from the face, and you'll want to draw an imaginary line down the center to where everything meets and then switches direction to go to the other side. If you want it rolling against, then you'll alternate as you go through the direction of the curling iron. If you alternate rolling against, they'll be more of a tousled look because they won't all fall together. If you roll them together, you will have them more in a seamless curl to where they will want to all kind of fall together a little bit more. You're gonna go in with your curling iron vertical. You always want to stay within 2 inches or so of the head. I'm going to roll together. So I'm going to do this whole side of the head away from the face and this whole side of the head away from the face. So that one I rolled back, and then this one I'm going to roll back from this side. You can take a little bit larger subsections, not quite the full length of the curling iron, at 2 or so inches is good. I'm going to continue to bricklay just a little bit so that in the end it doesn't split open. So this whole side I'm going to roll away from the face. I'm going to open. As I go in, I'm already starting to turn it so that we don't get a crease in the hair. And then little quarter turns to roll all the way in. You can use your comb to pull the hair off the iron. As you go in, I'm already rolling the curling iron, not create a crease in the hair. As you can see, I'm going in, I'm already rolling the curling iron in the direction that you're wanting to go so that you don't create a crease by going in harshly and clamping down. On this side, I'm doing away from the face, so I switch directions, staying within about 2 inches of the head. So as I continue up, I'm going to continue to bricklay just a little bit so that we don't have a big split up the center. This side will be coming away from the face here. So as I go in, I'm already open and turning, quarter turns, walking it out and back in. So now I'm switching back directions to come away from the face on this side, open and rolling, walking out and back in. Place your comb and then talk it out. So this curl is more of a livable curl or a wearable curl. It's still going to be a little bit bouncy, but the ends are still curled. So it's going to be more of a curl rather than a wave. A little piece from that side just so that it doesn't create a gap in the back. I'm going to go in vertical, holding my curling iron. Quarter turns, quarter to apply the most heat to the base of the hair where it's going to be thicker and needs a little more heat. So this is what the vertical curl is going to look like before it is completely combed out. You want to make sure it's cool and has set a little bit. If there's still heat in the hair, the curl will drag out a little bit quicker. And then I'm going to brush through it. So this is going to give a much bouncier curl. The ends are going to have curl in them. This could be a curl that you could wear out of the salon or on the daily, or you could use it for updo prep. You can see see that they're all wanting to kind of roll together rather than against vertical curls. At the Foundry University, we just want to teach you, and if you'll like and subscribe, we'll see you next week.